Welcome to today's daily message. Today, April 25th, is the feast of St. Mark, my own namesake. And on this feast of St. Mark, I want to offer some brief thoughts about the Gospel of Mark and how it depicts Jesus. So, as we know, each of the four Gospels depicts Jesus in different ways. And what makes the Gospel of Mark's depiction of Jesus stand out really are three things. First, in the Gospel of Mark, we see the human side of Jesus. Jesus, in the Gospel of Mark, is capable of being angry. He sheds tears. He feels anguish. He feels fear. He even feels a sense of abandonment by God when he's on the cross. And so this is a very human Jesus. Second, in the Gospel of Mark, Jesus, throughout most of his life, wants to keep the fact of his messiahship, his true identity, a secret. When he cures people, he tells them, now don't tell anybody who has done this, because he wants to maintain the secret about his messiahship, which is the third characteristic of the Gospel of Mark, that Jesus is seen as a suffering Messiah. He's not the glorious warrior king whom so many of the Jewish people expected. He was a Messiah who knew that he would suffer, because of his love for God and because of his love for his people. So I invite you, if you have time, to read the Gospel of Mark. It's the shortest of the four Gospels, and it's a very interesting Gospel to read. So thank you for joining us today on this Feast of St. Mark, and I hope you have a great Saturday. As always, stay safe, stay healthy.